Hello, it's me, Dad, and I bought a Canon EOS 550D camera off eBay, and it's just turned up, so let's get it open. I'm having to record this on an analog camcorder to a capture device. It's bloody not working, so I've just managed to get it going. It's really annoying because I've sold my camcorder to pay for this. So. Came in a camera bag. Okay, I've never opened this before, so so we just flew out. There's the camera. Okay. Came with a lens cap. It does come with a lens, so hey, there's the lens. You can see this because I can't see this on here. Hang on a minute. I'm really hampered because I haven't got my normal camcorder. Fuck, bullshit this is. I can't see it. There it is. So this light is terrible. Right, so that's the. Did I get a battery with it? No, something on the side. Yeah. This bag is not very good. I'll probably not be using this. Okay, there's the. It only came with a charger, so. There's the charger, but has it got a battery or is it already in it? Oh, it's already on. Okay. I've looked online for guides on this, so I had a cursory look at it. Yeah, the battery must be in there then. I need to get another battery for this because it's got battery's not really well charged there, but I have to learn how to use it because I'm not familiar with this particular camera. So there's the. I don't know what I'm doing on it. So yeah, it's already on, is it? Okay. I got to take the lens and put it on here. I have got a Canon camera. I've got an EOS 1D Mark III, which is really pro, but this is like a fairly budget model. Okay. It's modestly reasonable condition. Let's try it with the lens. I'm going to put the lens on. It's a plastic mounted one, but that's the looking for the index. I don't know. Is that it? Does it go there? Does it? Oops. Okay. Well, it's not bad. It's actually quite lightweight. So I turn it on then. No card in case. Yeah, I don't think they gave me a bloody SD card, did they? No, there's no SD card in it. But you've got, probably can't see well, manual, aperture priority, program. There's a green mode, so if you want to just have full auto, and there's like subject modes, like can't you see them? Just like little images, and then there's a video mode, which I got this camera for really. There it is, video mode, and it just shows you the. I think it's kind of reversed on this camera, this camcorder. It's really annoying. So I've never used this before, so I don't know what I'm doing on it. But yeah, there's the video mode there. I've never used one of these particular cameras before, so zoom. Zoom model. My lighting's terrible here actually. There's the zoom, you turn that centre ring there, and yeah, that's what it looks like close up. I was going to get a bridge camera, but this one seemed like a better deal than messing about with a really budget one, so it's just gone back to normal there. I think my battery needs to be charged on it, yeah. So that's my camera there. So I'm going to try and replace my old camcorder with that, my old Sony, so nice to see if this will actually turn up to be any better than what I had before. There's 1080, 30 frames and 720, 60. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Canon EOS 550D, which does video, to replace my Sony camcorder. Okay, so here's a comparison. Here's my EOS 1D Mark III, professional 10 megapixel, 10 frames per second, twin digit 3s, and this is the 550, and it has 1 digit 4, 18 megapixel sensor, APS-C. This is APS-H, so this is slightly bigger. It's not full frame, but it's actually quite a bit bigger, and this is APS-C. I've just cleaned it. It was absolutely filthy. There was a screen protector which was a plastic thing on it, and I peeled it off, and all the back was the glue had come off, so I had to clean that. So that's come out quite nice. Did give it a wipe down, what with the thing that's going on in the world, I had to wipe it down. So the battery is that, so I only got one. It didn't give me an SD card, but I do have one. So I'll have to get some more sorted out, and I may have to get another battery because one isn't going to be enough. Came with the charger as well. The charger's there. The charger on this one, because the batteries for this one is this. It's the LPE4. So that's the difference between the Pro and the budget, effectively. So that's the Mark III battery, and that's the battery for this one. So that's the charger for that, and I've got the charger for my main Pro one just to compare it. Oh, this is the double charger, so that's, you can put 2 of that for this one. So although that, if you said it was half the size, it's almost like the batteries are like completely different, of course, because this is a Pro camera and this is a crap on it now. So I'm just going to try and learn how to use this, because it's not too difficult, but I'll do a video about how it performs. And yeah, a bit grubby. It was a little bit dirty because I don't know why. That's how it is. But there's the comparison there. The back as well. Got a good strap with it there. The strap's quite nice. There's the back of that one. Although, to be fair to the lower one, the 550, this has a much higher pixel and this is much lower. So this one's got much higher dot pitch and this is lower, and this has live view, but this one doesn't do video. And when you do the photographic, when you actually put that one on with live view, it doesn't allow you to focus, whereas this one does. Yeah, 2 Canons.